I start a second chapter of geography, that is migration. Now I've already told you the meaning of migration, but again I am telling you the meaning of migration. Migration means people who move from one place to another place. They are called migration. Introduction. Move people from their home to another city, state or country for a job or shelter is called migration. Migration is a way to move from one place to another to live and work in better surroundings. It is influenced by the social, cultural, economic and political factors. Now the causes of migration. Nowadays many people decide to migrate to have a better life. Employment opportunities are the most common reason due to which people migrate. Lack of opportunities, better education, construction of dams, globalization, natural disaster, and sometimes crop failure force villagers to migrate to cities. Migration shows the trends of social changes from the historical point during the process of industrialization and economic development. People migrate from farms to industry, from villages to cities, from one city to another, and from one country to another. In modern times, technological changes are taking place in Asia and USA, due to which these regions are witnessing large-scale migration from rural to urban areas. The causes of migration can be seen as series of push and pull factors. Those factors which either forcefully push someone into migration or attract them. Now the first is push factor. A push factor is forceful, which related to a country the person is migrating from. It is generally a problem which result in people wanting to leave. Different types of push factors include poor medical care, not enough jobs, droughts, natural disasters, loss of wealth, fear of torture, high rate of crime and lacking safety, political fear, religious factors. Now the second is pull factor. A pull factor is something concerning the country a person migrates to. Different types of pull factors include chances of getting a better job, better living conditions, better educational opportunities, better medical care, security, social as well as religious, better infrastructure of transport and other social benefit, family links. Now, the effects of migration. The effects of migration, first is economic effects. When population migrates from rural areas, it reduces the pressure of population on land. The per worker output and productivity on land increases and so does per capita income. Those who migrate to urban areas, they are mostly in the age group of 18 to 40 years. They live alone, work and earn and remit their savings. Remit means send payment to their homes at villages. When these migrants return to their villages occasionally, they try to raise the consumption and living standard by bringing new ideas and goods to their home. Now the B is social effects. Migration also affects the social setup of rural communities. It weakens the joint family system if the migrants settle permanently in urban areas. Women play a greater role in the social setup of the rural life, with men having migrated to town. Now the types of migration. The various types of migration depend on the flow and number of people involved, the reason for their movement, the time they spend in the migration and the nature of migration. Now there are few types of migration. First is immigration. Immigration is the international movement of people into destination country of which they are not natives. Native means belonging to a particular place by birth. When people cross international borders during their migration, they are called immigrants. Immigrants means a person who comes to a country to take up permanent residence. From the perspective relating to of the country which they leave, they are called emigrants. Second, emigration. Emigration means leaving one's resident country with the intention to settle down elsewhere. It is especially migration from your native country in order to settle in another. Third point, domestic or internal migration. Rural-urban migration, this involves the movement of people from rural areas of countryside to urban areas of the same country in search of new job opportunities and lifestyles. Migration from rural to urban areas is of different types. One is to settle down permanently in the urban areas of their choice. In the other one, the migrant has a rural base and he can migrate repeatedly or different duration. In India, rural to urban and urban to rural migration is important. In India, many urban cities are creating job opportunities, and as a result, more migrants are coming into cities. For example, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Delhi, Chennai, etc. In the same way, farmers living in rural areas are moving to urban areas. Fourth point, urban to urban migration. It is a type of internal migration. It refers to people within a country moving to another location within its borders. People migrate due to several reasons, including social, political, environmental, and economic factors. This refers to a change of residence within national boundaries, such as between states, provinces, cities, or municipalities. Fifth point is international or external migration. International or external migration involves crossing international borders. International migration can occur over relatively short distances, such as that in between the member states of the European Union, or can involve moves to entirely different continents, such as from Asia to Africa or India to America. Thank you.